and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Today it is Wednesday, March the 12th of 2025. I'm coming at you guys with our Kroger in-store deals video for another week of deals. We still have some really good sales going on, some really great deals. We are continuing this really nice, if I can get it in the ad, if I can actually show you guys the right page, here we go. Buy free participating personal care items, get $5 off instantly. That is still going on. We also have some really good weekly digital deal matchups, and we have just some really good deals. We have another digital coupon event going on, just some really good easy rebate deals, just a lot of great stuff to talk about at Kroger today. So I'm super excited to tell you guys all about it. So you're gonna wanna stay tuned. If you guys are familiar with my videos, you know the drill. In the description box below, I do have a printable Google Doc, printable breakdown for you guys. You can print it out, bring it with you in the store, or you can view it on your phone. Please make sure to actually watch the video. That's what helps me out and allows me to keep bringing you guys these videos every week. But we do have that down below. So if you guys don't want to write everything out by hand, that is an option. Also, if you're not already signed up for these rebate apps, go ahead and get signed up. I have all of my referral codes down below to get on these apps, and you will save and you will make so much money. So anyways, guys, without further ado, let's just dive right into our Kroger deals for this. All right, so I'd like to start out our Kroger videos by talking about weekly digitals, which we are going to, but I wanted to tell you guys a couple of really good deals if these are going on in your area. I know sometimes meat and produce can vary a little, so check your ad for sure. But we have buy one, get one free Tyson chicken, which is pretty great. 99 cents a pound for Cosmic Crisp or Pink Lady apples, and then the Gorton's fish is still buy one, get one. So it's a good deal. As for weekly digitals, I do want to say this is not on the print app, but Garden Fructis is on weekly digital for $2.49, and there is a 3 off 2 digital. However, what's going to happen, because the $3 is more than one of them being $2.49, it's going to throw off the discount, the weekly digital discount, so it's really not a deal. So don't do that. However, we do have $1.88 for the strawberries, which is an excellent deal. We also have $5.99 for the large cans of Kroger coffee, which in 2025 is a good deal. So wanted to mention that. 99 cents for the smart ones is a really good deal. Oh my goodness, $1.79 for the Hostess donuts is pretty good. We do have a couple of really good matchups with like coupons and stuff. So let me go ahead and show you guys. All right, that. So first weekly digital deal matchup we have here, it's on Arm & Hammer laundry detergent products. So the best one in my opinion is on this one, the 50 load Powerfully Clean detergent. They do have some other ones, but they're not 50 loads. So I would go for this because you're getting more, loads in it. But this is $5.99, but it's a part of weekly digital deal for $2.99. So clip the weekly digital coupon, you get it for $2.99. And then we have a $1 manufacturer digital coupon. So it's going to make it $1.99, which I think is really good for 50 loads. I normally like my buy price is 99 cents for like a 25 bottle load of detergent. So I think that's pretty good. 25 bottle load, no, 25 load bottle. That's what I meant. So I think $1.99 for 50 loads is an excellent deal. So I want to mention that. Now you also could get the pods if you'd rather. Same kind of deal. There is $1 digital for those, making it $1.99. Now that's only 24 pods, so you are getting more of the liquid. So be aware of that. Also, the sensitive skin one has 50 loads, so that's another option. And then if you would rather have scent beads, we do have the scent beads. These are also included. These ones that are normally $6.49 with the $1 off digital. There's another digital for these and make those $1.99. So $2.99 weekly digital, $1 manufactured digital. So really great deals on the Arm & Hammer this week at Kroger. All right, next week's digital matchup, it's actually on body wash. So we have Irish Spring and we have soft soap. Can't believe how expensive these things have gotten, but they're on weekly digital deal this week for $3.99 each. And we have a $2 off of one manufactured digital for Irish Spring, and we have a $2 off of one manufactured digital for soft soap. So after you use those coupons, it makes them $1.99 each. And you can get one Irish Spring and one soft soap on one account because there's a different coupon for the Irish Spring and for the soft soap. So a really good deal for $1.99. We are now going to talk about some regular deals here, and we have an awesome freebie on these Bobo's Bites. It has to be the Bobo's Oat Bites. So these guys are regularly $4.99, but they're on sale for $4.49. Now, we do have a $1 5X digital coupon. You can use it if you want to, but it really makes no difference either way, because what we do have for these is we have a free manufacturer's rebate. I'll have a link in the description box, and you're going to get back the full purchase price you paid. So like for instance, I paid $4.49, got $4.49 back in my PayPal. So whichever you want to do, if you want to clip the coupon, if you don't, it doesn't really make a difference. If you use the coupon, you'll just get $3.49 back. But either way, you're going to get these Bobo's Bites for free. So an awesome deal for those. right, guys, next deal we got here is an awesome freebie on some Halo Top ice cream. It's on the mix-ins variety, which apparently these are popular, or my store just doesn't have a ton of them yet. But there are several varieties they're out of, but they do have some, so we're good. These guys are $5.29, and we have a totally free manufacturer's rebate, just making it free. Now, again, like the Bobos, there is a 5X digital coupon. If you use that and pay $3.79, you'll just get $3.79 back for the manufacturer's rebate, so it doesn't really matter if you use the coupon or not. Either way, it's going to be free, so a sweet deal, literally a sweet deal. Now, the big question here is, which one do I get? They got cookies and brownies, cherry chocolate chunk, and strawberry cheesecake. I think I'm going with the cheesecake. That sounds amazing. So, awesome. Guys, next up we got a deal here on Axe products. So Axe deodorant as well as Axe body wash, these guys are on sale for $4.99. They are not a part of this buy 3 save 5, unfortunately, but they're still a good deal. So $4.99. We have a really high value digital coupon for $7 off of 2. So it'll make 2 products $2.98 for both, or $1.49 each, which is really good considering the regular price on the deodorants is $5.49 and the body wash is $5.29. So great deal for those. Guys, now I'm just gonna talk about some regular like rebate coupon matchup deals, and these deals are amazing. I'm super excited. So the first one is on this Honey Bunches of Oats chocolate cereal, which sounds amazing. Super excited to try these. So they are regularly $3.99, but we do have a 5X digital coupon, which basically means you can use the coupon up to 5 times in one transaction. So you can buy a total of 5 of these. The coupon is $2.20 off. So it makes these cereals $1.79. For the chocolate variety only, we have $1.25 back on Ibotta. So it makes these just 54 cents a box, which is just outstanding. So a phenomenal deal for the Honey Bunches of Oats. Great deal here on these Fulfill bars, and also really good for an Ibotta bonus. So the Fulfill bars are regularly $2.19 each, but they're on sale 3 for $5. You don't have to buy 3. They're just $1.67 each. So $1.67. We have $1 back on Ibotta, so it makes it 67 cents. Limit 2. So a really good deal. If you guys enjoy sardines, I got a deal for you today. So it's on the Wild Planet sardines. These guys are $2.99, no sale or anything like that, just $2.99. We do have a really high value rebate over on My Points for $4.28 back when you buy 2. That is really awesome. So after that, it makes it $1.70 for both, or 85 cents each. So hey, if you guys want some sardines in your life, this is a really good price. So good deal. With the weekly digital deals, we talked about the Arm & Hammer detergent being $1.99 for the 50 load, which is a really good deal. However, if you can actually find these on clearance, you get an even better deal. So the Arm & Hammer Deep Clean, the 102 ounce, these are 50 ounce, these are 102 ounce. They are $5.99 on clearance, and there is a $4 rebate over on Ibotta. So after that, it literally just makes it $1.99, which is such a great deal. So definitely check your stores for that. All right, so I want to mention the Selfcare event again because this is still going on this week. It's buy 3 participating products, save $5 instantly. I was hoping for some really good like new coupons or whatever to match up to get us some new deals from last week. Unfortunately, that didn't happen, but if you didn't do this deal last week, I want to tell you about it because it's still a really good deal. So for this deal, if you buy one of these Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste, these guys are $3.79. There is a $2 digital coupon for these. Then you're going to buy one of the Schick razors. This is $5.99. We have a $4 digital coupon for this. And then you're going to buy a Colgate toothbrush. This is $4.49, and there's a separate $2 digital coupon for this. So after your coupons and you get the $5 off for buying 3 items, you'll be left to just pay $1.27 out of pocket. So that's a really excellent deal. And I will say, if you want to, always make sure you look for clearance items, because my Kroger keeps marking things down. Like for instance, they have a bunch of medications marked down today. And this Tylenol Sinus, this is marked down to $3.25, but it is a part of the 3 participating items. So it's going to work on this. So I'm going to get an excellent deal for the Tylenol, for the erasers and the toothbrush. It's going to be like $2 and some change, which is an excellent deal considering this clearance price is $3.25. So definitely that is something to keep your eyes peeled for, Kroger for clearance, but a good deal if you didn't use your coupons last week. Guys, that's all I have for this Kroger in-store deals video, but I really hope you all did enjoy. We have some really excellent deals this week. And yeah, so I'm super excited. So anyways, that's all I got. Hope you all enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.